Hello, everyone. In this video, I will explain the Coinmarketcap website, which many people know the name of but may not know how to use it properly. If you're ready, let's get started. Established in 2013, Coinmarketcap is a reliable source for comparing cryptocurrency assets, trusted by all organizations and the media. Even major news channels use Coinmarketcap data in their research, and it's the most visited price tracking website in the world. In 2020, Coinmarketcap was acquired by Binance, and as a result, Coinmarketcap aims to operate independently from its parent company while adhering to the principle of objectivity. Now let's take a look at how to use the site. When we arrive at the homepage, we see many options: trends, community accounts, the Fear and Greed Index. Today's score is 72. First, let's start with the cryptocurrencies menu. Let's look at the options in this menu. If you click on Ranking, you will see the ranking of cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Here, you can track prices in real time, see details, and view charts. The second option in the cryptocurrencies menu is Recently Added. In this section, newly added cryptocurrencies are displayed, and you can find many details about these cryptocurrencies on the right. In the Categories section, there is a list of 24-hour price changes for different cryptocurrency sectors. On the right, you'll find dominance percentages, as well as a section that shows the gainers and losers in cryptocurrency sectors. Now, let's take a look at Spotlight. In this section, you can see which cryptocurrencies have gained or lost the most within a single day. If you click on the Gainers-Losers option in the menu, you'll see a different ranking of the top gainers and losers. Now I'm going to select the Global Chart option. In this menu, you'll see a lot of charts. Charts like the Total Market Cap chart, the 24-hour volume chart, the Bitcoin Dominance chart, and the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. In the Cryptocurrencies menu, there's an option for Legal Tender Countries. I'm selecting this option. Here, you'll find countries that officially recognize Bitcoin as legal tender. The Central African Republic and El Salvador are among the countries that recognize Bitcoin as legal tender. If you think you know which country will be next, you can vote for that country using the section below. If you make 3 predictions, you'll earn 10 diamonds. If one of your predictions is correct, you'll earn an extra 50 diamonds. I'll explain what diamonds are at the end of the video. In the Cryptocurrencies menu, when you click on Fiat's Companies Rankings, you can see information about countries' fiat currencies, circulating supplies, and maximum supplies. If you press the Top Companies button, you'll find information about companies' market capitalizations, one-year price changes for their shares, and more. Now let's look at the Exchange menu. There are 3 options in this menu. I'm clicking on Spot. Here you can see the trading volumes in cryptocurrency markets. You're currently viewing the trading volumes of the last 24 hours. The ranking of cryptocurrency exchanges is displayed this way, with Binance at the top, followed by exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, Bybit, and KuCoin. You can also find these options in this area. In the Derivatives section, you'll see a ranking created by futures trading. The DEX menu on the right shows decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. There are many exchanges listed here. The Community menu is quite useful. You can follow communities, participate in voice meetings, get news, and read articles here. One of my favorite features on this platform is the Portfolio section. You can add all your assets here and track the price changes of your assets. You can connect your wallets or manually enter your assets. I'm going to use the manual method. Let me give my portfolio a name. Now, I can enter the assets I have. I'm going to enter 1 Bitcoin. Okay, my list of assets is here, and I can expand this list as much as I want. Now let's look at the Watchlist section. You can use this feature to track the cryptocurrency projects you're interested in. This way, you only see the cryptocurrency projects that interest you and avoid details that are unrelated to you. This is my watch list. If you want, I can remove anyone from my list or add a new cryptocurrency project to it. In important situations, you will receive notifications related to the assets on your watch list. This is really helpful. Now let's look at the Products menu. Here, you can find events, airdrops, pre-sales, and other important options. This menu is really useful. All airdrops are shown here. Below, you can find old airdrops. There is only one active airdrop right now, but when the market moves up more, you can find many airdrops here. Let's take a look at the pre-sale calendar. Here, you can see that there is a pre-sale for Sola X. On the right, you can find upcoming pre-sales. I recommend checking these out. In the Products menu, you can come across various events. You can participate in these events and earn income. A great feature in the Products menu is that you can earn cryptocurrency by watching videos. You need to watch the video and complete the test. This way, you can earn cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrencies you can earn are shown below. There are many cryptocurrencies here. There are a lot of options on Coinmarketcap, and it's not possible to cover them all in one video. But I want to show you one more thing. On the Coinmarketcap website, you can collect diamonds at regular intervals. If you collect diamonds regularly, your earnings will be higher. I currently have 1,320 diamonds. I know that these diamonds can be really valuable. You can collect diamonds by completing the given tasks and use them to buy products offered in the market. I'm continuing to collect diamonds and don't plan to spend them for now. Because one day, these diamonds might be the foundation of a cryptocurrency project. Even if that doesn't happen, I believe that diamonds will be quite valuable in any case. Please collect diamonds regularly. Perhaps one day, these diamonds will bring us great surprises. That's all for the video. I hope it has been helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.